Let's do that again. That was really good.
Okay.
Right.
So,
we're doing the what?
West Highland Way? West Island Way.
No, we're doing the West Highland Way.
Sorry?
That way. That way.
So
And that's another side. Okay, let's just try to go straight. And as you can see, we're getting lost already. Actually, we were supposed to go left there.
Okay. I would say all the ways.
I think you can go 2 different ways. This is maybe the more...
Is this the one that you went last time when you went wrong?
No, that was later on.
Okay. This is into the river, the sea.
Yeah. Get to walk alongside the river, which is much nicer. Anyway, we set off really late. It's like, it's time about 1:15. Yeah. We've got to be in Drymen tonight by... well, we've got a table booked at the restaurant for 7:30, so we need to make sure we're there for at least then. So we've got quite a lot of hiking to do.
Yep.
And weather-wise, actually it's alright, actually, because it's a bit overcast, but it's not cold. And we're supposed to be getting some nice weather. But I think tomorrow is going to be wet. So we're going to get the waterproofs out tomorrow. And hopefully after that it's going to get better and better and better. Hopefully.
And then we'll be hot because we won't have shorts.
And we haven't got shorts. So Emma decided that she didn't want to bring her shorts. She didn't bring our shorts, so...
Mark told me I wouldn't need shorts.
And so we're going to get warm late. But we might buy some shorts if on the way, if we can find somewhere that actually sells them. Anyway, we better get hiking because we've got a long way to go.
Yeah.
It's like 14 miles or something. So Emma needs to stopping and taking pictures.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Not roses, but yep.
Yeah. Whatever they are. How are we doing?
How are we doing?
How are we doing?
Good. We are
Good.
4 miles down, 10 miles to go. Today.
Today, yeah. Yes, today.
92 miles to go in total.
Yeah. And you enjoying it so far? Great.
Yeah. My legs aren't aching at all.
Are they aching?
My shoulders are.
Yeah, well, backpacks are quite heavy. And you'll get used to it as well. You might need to
Adjust it a little bit.
Adjust it a little bit. Yeah, I think I remember this bit coming up was quite nice. It opens up into views.
Wow, look at this.
So the first part of the day is quite, it's all kind of paths, this kind of rumbly terrain, so it's quite easy going. There's no steep inclines or anything yet. Yeah.
Oh, some pretty steep hills at the start.
I'm not sure they were officially classed as hills, are they? Mound maybe.
Shock to the system.
It's always that thing when you first start hiking.
Yeah.
And you're like, your body's like, oh,
After
really?
After sitting on a plane in a train
Yeah.
in the morning.
I'm getting up at 5 o'clock. I'm not going to bed till gone 12.
Midnight, yeah.
So we very almost didn't come on this trip because a multitude of reasons, all down to me. Number one, I damaged my ankle. I rolled my ankle about 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks, 4 weeks ago.
Yeah, 3-4 weeks.
Yeah. and I thought it'd be better by now, but it's still hurting. So that kind of like, we went out for a walk last week, and I kind of like slightly rolled it again. It showed how weak it was. So after that, it's like, not sure whether doing 96 miles is such a good idea. But I bought a leg brace for it. Strap on.
Strap on.
And yeah, it seems to be doing quite a good job, but we'll see. Views?
What views? What are the other plants with?
They're called
some sort of gorse.
Yeah, Caccalictus.
Caccalictus.
Yeah.
Naturist. Mind your feet, please.
I'm trying to mind my feet, yes. I'm doing my best.
Have you had anything to drink?
What, alcohol-wise? What's she trying to say?
Yeah, keep hydrated.
Keep hydrated, yeah. I will have one in a second, just, you know.
Oh, you're videoing?
Videoing. Hence why I've got the camera out.
I didn't know if you turned it on.
Yeah, so the other reason was that I was feeling ill the last couple of days. I've been like, I come down with some kind of cold or something. I think my daughter came back from Canada and she had a cold, so I think I caught something off her. But it seems to have dissipated for the time being, so hopefully that's not going to be a problem, because that would suck if I ended up getting ill. If you don't know, I did do the West Highland Way I attempted to do the West Highland Way 2 years ago and failed in dramatic fashion. I'll put a link to that video up here. A lot of people found it rather amusing, but at the time I didn't. It's quite funny looking back on it, I guess. Was there no reasons why? Is that it? Oh yeah, as Emma came around to mine last night, and somehow I kind of like tweaked my kneecap. So I was like walking up the stairs, kind of like, ow, ow, and we were like, oh my god.
Could anything else go wrong?
Apparently my thing, so I've been told at work, is that I am always injured and ill. So that's my thing.
That's your thing. I think your thing's trekking, but
I would say my thing's trekking.
while injured or ill.
But it was injured or ill, yeah, or I come away injured or ill. It's the cause for my injury, my illness. Yeah, it's got like a little notebook thing inside of it.
I'm getting your photos. Are you going to tag them?
Stunning. Never comes across on camera rather, does it?
About 7 miles.
Yeah, I couldn't bother to stop and read all that last time.
It doesn't matter. There's a warm welcome at the beach tree. Burgers and chips, starters and dips, or even essential food. Great value for money. It's sunny. Just come and enjoy it. Or food.
You're not fluent in Scottish, are you?
No. If the rain starts to pisky, the garden is giddy garden is not pisky. Or maybe try out our shelter. Or out you can wear muddy boots to welcome. You'll get what? The welcome you get is shelter. can talk to them.
Hello. Oh, so cute. So we're at the Beech Tree Inn, which is looking about 6 miles out of Drymen. Not sure we haven't quite calculated how far we've got left to go today. About that, isn't it? Ish. Yeah. It's very quiet here today. So we set off on a Friday in end of April. It's the 25th of April. And obviously, as I'm in Scotland, I've got to have an Andrew. So how are you feeling, Emma? Tired. So I've done half the day, so I've got half to go. Not a long way. Okay. I don't think it's quite half. I don't know. We're almost done 7 miles. So yeah, I've got about 6 miles left. It's quite an easy walk on the first day. It's a nice, gentle in to the West Highland Way. Gets a little bit tougher tomorrow as you go up Conic Hill, assuming that you stop in Drymen, of course that is.
Yeah, I'm a bit chillier now.
Yeah.
Like, cool down a little. Cute.
So at this point here, on the last time I did the West Highland Way, I actually filtered water from this river, which might have been a mistake. I do wonder whether maybe might have been the source of my illness. I'm not entirely sure, but if I was you and you come across this bridge, I can't remember whereabouts we are, Gartness, then I would say don't filter from the river, just in case. And but I'm sure you're probably not as stupid as me, so you probably won't. There is a nice honesty box around here, I remember. Honesty box. What do you think?
Fridge. Iron brew.
I think I've had enough. Freezer.
Ice cream.
£2 each. Ice creams. Anything or not?
I'm alright. Oh look, honesty box bin. For the bin for the rubbish. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah. Right.
So,
just coming up to Drymen camping.
Well, that says Alt Kultur Bear Bed and Breakfast.
Okay, yeah, I think it's on the same site.
And the baking shed.
And baking shed, yeah. Emma's really excited about the baking shed.
Whoa!
You're getting the vegan bar's doing well.
Oh, chocolate brownie. Caramel crispy slice. How much is everything? £2.
Okay. Yeah, that's one for tomorrow.
Oh yeah, if we're here. Yeah. Amazing.
Made Emma's day. Yeah, so Drymen camping, and it's just outside of the town village, I guess, actually village. So we're just we're going for some dinner there tonight. So I'll let you how much of an extra jaunt it is into the village to get food. Yeah, there'll be a shop. Yeah, go in here, yeah, yes, sir.
Check in.
Excellent.
on you, brand new. So what's in there? Oh, there's a duvet and stuff in there. So is that so you can choose if you want to use that or?
I guess so, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh wait, I'm attached.
Bed.
Amazing. I can't believe you did this.
So yeah, I decided to treat us to a little pod for our first night camping.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Because the thing is as well, like the pitches here are a little bit skew-whiffy. As we were walking up, you can kind of see them everyone was a little bit. So thought, nah, let's not do that.
Okay.
Let's have a pod.
Let's have a pod.
Let's have a pod. So I think we're just gonna stop my timer.
Oh yeah.
Gonna freshen up a bit, and then we are heading into town or village, place, Drymen. Is it town or is it village? I don't know. It's got to be village.
I have no idea.
No.
Village probably.
Village, I think. Yeah. We're gonna head into Drymen for something to eat.
Yes.
Cool. Well done on your first day.
Thank you. Thanks for getting a pod.
Alright.
Ah.
Look at the size of that. As you can see, it's piddling down the rain. This is Tom.
Hey Tom.
Tom alone. Yeah, I do remember doing this stretch last time and just be like, oh, this is dragging on and on. I hate this section. I hated it last time I did it, and I hate it now. I've just left Emma behind. I need to find somewhere to camp ASAP.